We'll guide you through how to download and install the Distant Horizons mod in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Close off Minecraft and go and open up a web browser, so I'll just go and use Google Chrome. Now before we get any further, a big shout out to our sponsor, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to Minecraft server host, and they've got so many awesome features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, so you can get help anytime you need it, as well as loads of other awesome benefits as well. And at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So if you're interested, we'll go and put a link down below in the description and the pinned comment. As I said, they're super good. But to continue with the guide, come to Google and you need to go and type in Distant Horizons mod, just like so. You want to make sure you go to CurseForge. They're just a trusted mod website. Click here. And then what you want to do is scroll down, you can read some info about it, and you want to go and click on files. You may be wondering, what are all of these different versions here? Well, they're all different versions of Minecraft. So if we come over to the right to game version, you'll go and see the different version. So this is for 1.20.2, and you'll also go and see the mod loader. So we're going to be using Forge. I'll show you how to get that in just a moment. So come over to the right and click on the three dots and click on download file. Just note the version you're downloading for. I'm doing it at 1.20.2. Now go and wait for it to go and download. It's now started and finished downloading, and open a new tab, and you need to go and search for Minecraft Forge like so and come to the Forge website. Now what you need to do is make sure you get the same version of Forge as you got for the mod. So I got 1.20.2 for the mod, so I need to get the same version for Forge. You can choose the version on the left here, and all you then need to do is go and click on Installer like so. Now you'll get taken to like an ad wall and it'll say download. This is a download for the ad, not the mod. You need to be looking in the top right for the countdown, and you can then click skip, and the download has now gone and started, and you can then close it off. All you need to do is go and wait for that to finish downloading, and once it has, you can go and close off your browser. And what you need to do is go and open up your file explorer. In your file explorer, go and click on downloads on the left, and you'll then see Distant Horizons and Forge. Select them and go and put them on your desktop just like so. So first of all, we need to go and install Forge. So go and double click on it like so, and you should go and get a pop-up which looks like this. Now if nothing happens or something else opens up, it's likely you don't have Java installed. So open your web browser and you need to go to java.com. Here we are, I'm now on java.com, and all you need to do is go and click on download Java and download again, and the installer will then go and download. And then all you need to do is go and run the installer and Java will be installed. It's super simple. And then what you need to do is come back to Forge on your desktop or wherever you put it, right click on it and click on open with, click on choose another app, and you need to find Java TM Platform SE binary. Select it and then select always. Then it should go and run. If that still isn't working, you may need to go and do something called a jar fix to reassociate jar and Java files. We've got a full guide on that on the channel, which you can go and check out. Once you've got it open, make sure you select install clients and click OK, and it will go and install. Once it's finished, it will go and say successfully installed. Click OK. And then what we need to do is go and open up Minecraft. So I search for Minecraft launcher, and here it is. And then what you need to do is once it loads, I'll just press close here. You need to come over to the left and you need to select Minecraft Java. You should go and see the option just here. And then at the top, you can go and click on installations. Now scroll through here until you see Forge. As you can see, here it is. And come over to the right to this sort of folder file icon. Click on it and your file explorer will go and open up. And then what you need to do is go and look for the mods folder. In this case, it is just here. If you've already got some mods in here, you should probably go and delete them because they may be for different versions of Minecraft. If they're for the same version, it's fine, but they're for different. And then all you need to do is you need to go and put the Distant Horizon mods in there. So I'll drag and drop it in just like so, and you can then close the folder. And then what you need to do is click on play again at the top, come to the left of play and make sure you select Forge like so. And then click on play, and Forge and the mod should now go and load. And now here we are. And if we go and click on mods in the left here, we can then go and see we've got the Distant Horizons mod. And now here we are, and it may take a moment or two for it to start loading everything in for you. And if you pause the game, click on options, you then in the top left, you'll go and see this option, and this is the Distant Horizons config settings. And you can then go and adjust them here if you want to. I haven't though, but yeah, you should now go and notice the difference. It's super cool.